My name is Haidar. I'm a second-year student on my LLB. I'm based in the Bloomsbury campus, but I also come to this campus because they have access to different campuses. I used to do flight training before I came to the University of Law and saw the value in the law degree. Bloomsbury campus, which is a very central area. A typical week in my life would look like coming to university for twice a week, and then 4 classes, and then for the rest of the week I'd probably come into the library.
With University of Law is UK's oldest and largest law higher education provider. We are not just law, we are law and more. So we got business courses, computing courses, and a lot more courses are coming in. We are actually one of the fastest business schools in UK, fastest growing business school in UK.
It's the more communal area where group tasks are done, or where people come socialize, network. With all sorts of showers. When coffee doesn't do it, you need a refreshing shower to get back to studying and feel like you're in the mood. So something that we have at University of Law is for postgrad students, which is basically called the employability promise, which is that if you don't find employment after certain conditions are met within, as in like your own commitment, you will probably be refunded or reimbursed your fees for university if you don't find employment within 9 months. But there has to be a certain commitment from yourself as well. An IT department for students to seek help. For example, if they have big bundles of paper that they want to print out for the SQE or different courses that they're taking, you can go to the IT department to help them with the printing. Where I'm taking now is the legal advice clinic meeting room, where clients come in usually. Sometimes they meet online and they liaise about the issues that they're having, where they get initial advice. It's the first step in the process. And I spend my time usually in those things. I also have a job, a part-time job from university as a student ambassador, and that's something that's also open for you guys to apply to once you come in to help support you with your finances. You also have the legal advice clinic if you have any issues with your housing or with your tenancy agreement, so you can come to and seek advice. You have a support and well-being office, which is really helpful in managing if you get overwhelmed with finances, if you get overwhelmed with studies, if you get overwhelmed with anything that's more or less to do with something outside of studying or studying. Thank you.